So we're going to have a little practice with writing equations with water explicitly. And this is important for being able to write our total ionic equations and kind of keep track of what's going on. So before we've been doing the HCl, and we'll just say aqueous, and this is something that you kind of see, right? Now, to make it explicit, we're going to take it one step at a time. So let's look at the HCl in water, because what we're actually saying is HCl plus water, because we're going to take the HCl and put it into water, and that is going to go to, we're going to protonate the water, so H3O plus our chlorine ion, so Cl minus. Cool. And so when we want to write it explicitly, this is the part that we're going to take. This is writing it specifically with the water. So we'll start with our H3O plus, there's our acid, plus the chlorine ion. Now let's add in our ammonia. Now why am I not writing that one broken down any different way? Well, because it's not in ionic pieces. This will become the ion itself. So this doesn't dissociate at all. This stays together. So changing it isn't going to do anything for us. So now this goes to what? Well, we're going to get ammonia. So we're going to protonate one of these hydrogens. It's going to come over here and protonate this, our ammonia. So we'll get NH4. Now what happened to our hydronium? It becomes just water. And we can't forget this little guy, plus Cl minus. So now our rules for our net ionic equation apply. So we have a spectator ion here and here. So these guys go away. So if I want to rewrite this equation, then I have H3O plus NH3 goes to NH4. Whoops, and I forgot my sign there. NH4 plus, or ammonium ion, plus water. There's our net ionic equation. So what's going on? This is our acid. And as we just talked about on the previous one, this is going to be our base. It's our proton acceptor. So this is our base. We come over here, if we wanted to take a look at what would happen with this equation if this was in equilibrium, so say we had something that did this, so we had arrows going both ways, then you could see that this would actually be protonating that. So this now becomes the acid on this side, and then this would be the base because it would be the receiver. So the next video we'll talk about conjugate acids and bases.